Alrighty, so we have our lovely little edge right here. I'll click on our edge, and here we go. This is what a flight CG test looks like. So we got to figure out where our CG is, because a properly balanced airframe is key to doing proper 3D. So upline 45 degrees, roll onto your back, and then let go of the sticks. You can see this plane is now coming back towards the ground. It's going back towards the canopy, so this plane is actually slightly nose heavy, which is where most planes want to be. So once again, 45 degree upline inverted, a little better than half throttle, and you can see that it just wants to go towards the nose. Now again, 45 degrees, roll inverted. You can see it's slowly going to start, it's going to start coming down towards the nose. So just barely nose heavy. If this plane was tail heavy, when I rolled inverted, it would either keep flying vertically on that, nice and straight on that 45 degree, or it'll actually pitch and start to climb. If it starts to climb, you know you're really tail heavy. So tail heavy planes, while they're okay for 3D, really the best planes are really right around the center of gravity, give you really nice knife edge spins, that sort of thing. So most of my planes will actually look like this. So up 45 degrees, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of elevator. You can see it's still going towards the nose, but you know that's kind of the line that most of my planes will take. If your plane is super nose heavy, when you roll inverted and you let go of the sticks, it's just gonna it'll really come around. It's pretty obvious when you have a super nose or a super tail heavy plane. But just a slight fall back towards the terra firma is actually pretty good for 3D. And that is how we do CG tests in flight to see you know, if the CG is actually where the manufacturer says it is, or if it's somewhere else. So your in-flight CG test is probably your best way to test your CG after you set it up at the factory setting. So if it's flying all funky, give this in-flight CG test a try, and chances are it'll help things out. And that's it. Landing gear. And that be that.